Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech It's Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Reasons Bank on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end to download your Reasons Bank. Firstly, open your Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in Reason Bank and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the Install button and download the application. But if the application isn't available on Google in your region, open your Google search. Type in Reason APK download and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the download link shown on the page. On the next page, tap on Download APK. It will start the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you're connected to a strong internet. After downloading the application, click on the Install button to install the application. Click on Open button to launch the application. Open the application, and that is how you'll be able to download your Reasons Bank application on your Android device quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.